we're going to walk you through the Alliance Paradigm 310 RL. This is another one that we are interested in. You can see some of the features right there. Of course, at the show, they're asking $80,000 for this, but we'll walk around. Of course, you've got the solid steps on the outside. You've got a full slide out with electrical outlets back here and a nice awning. And from the back, you have a good ladder to get up to the top, do any work you may need to do. Of course, this does have the 6-point leveling system on it. That's the show. We'll walk around here. So there you see your 6-point leveling system again. Massive front end storage here. Plenty of outlets in there as well. Got some propane storage right here. Go around to the front. You got your hookup right here. They say that's an upgraded. See the little Alliance RV in the front. Go around to the side here. You got more propane storage. This is your pass-through storage. Of course, this has got 50 amp power hooked up to it. You've got an additional slide out here. So the one thing that I see, obviously, is not a lot of storage on the outside, just your big front pass-through compartment, but overall would be pretty easy to make it work because you got a ton of room inside and you do have that big pass-through in the front. So now we will walk into the rig. We'll walk up the solid steps here. Come on into the back. You see you got a bunch of your controls on the wall here, your 2 ACs, your max air fans. It's got dimmers built in. You go up the steps, you see a very nice sink, medicine cabinet. Some very deep storage over here for towels, stuff like that. One of the things we really liked was this shower. Absolutely incredible, plenty of room. You got the soft close toilet there. Come on back into the bedroom. So you got the barn door here. We really like those. So just to see the frame of it there going back and forth. You got an outlet back there. Of course, once again, you got plug-ins and outlets beside of the bed. I think that is very, very important. And you do have this massive king bed. And once again, on the other side of the bed, you have the same thing. Now we'll look into the closet. And this is prepped for washer and dryer as well, which is something that is high up on our list. You got a little sit bench here, and there's some storage down in that. Not real sure how convenient that's going to be, but a little bit of storage anyway. And I do like this right here. It's just a little hideaway shelf for more storage. And of course, you got plenty of stuff in the storage here for your clothes and so forth. Got a nice LG TV above the window for the bed. You got more AC controls and lights and dimmer controls. Now we'll move to the front, go back down the steps. So you got a freestanding dinette set, which is really nice. You got the theater seating. And then of course you got some more outlets and plugs in there. So outlets and plugs are all over this thing. You got the big couch here. More outlets and plugs. You feel the AC blowing down. Got more storage up above and tons of windows if you like seeing out. Got an awesome TV here with the fireplace, so that's very pretty. More storage above it. And I love the wood grain fixture across the top with the Alliance. And then of course in the center, like with most of the fifth wheels, you got the nice island with more storage, more outlets, plenty of stuff to do with it. On the back side of the kitchen, you got more storage, so you got a ton of storage inside. Stuff all over the place. So, and then a huge plus is you do have the full residential stove in here. That is a massive add-in. You got the microwave, tons and tons of kitchen storage. So very, very cool. You got the side-by-side refrigerator. Plenty of room to store stuff in there, and as y'all know, I'm a fat guy, I like to eat. Look down in the freezer area. Plenty of room down here for my ice cream, so that's even better. And then you also have a very big pantry here for more food. So overall, just a very nice, well laid out rig. This is one that is actually pretty high on our list, but it would have us increasing our size just a little bit, but I think it would be worth it.